Everything.
So
Everything.
Welcome to another episode of the Lending Lounge. I am Pablo and
Jose.
And we're here today to talk about a great program. Jose, when I say great, I mean great program.
It's absolutely fantastic. One of the best down payment assistance loans that I know of.
100%. And the reason being, because it's all done internal with the bank, we don't have to worry about two different parties and trying to make everybody work together. It's all done at one spot, and we can close these fairly quick and help our clients, help the realtors, help everybody.
Close fast, closing simple.
And that is the Hometown Heroes. So, Jose, we got the Hometown Heroes. I think this is year number 3. I think the first time it was open up for... No. The first time it was open up for just like paramedics,
exactly, military, all that. Yep. Now it's open up to everybody here.
And then last year it opened up for everybody. Yep. And then this is the second year of it being opened up for everybody. Now, what
you gotta act quickly though, because it'll be gone real quick. It's only $100 million, and last year was a month and a half. It was gone.
So, with that being said, if you are a serious buyer, or you have a client that's serious, or you know somebody that wants to buy a house, this is what this program will do. It'll give you 5%. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5% for you to use towards your down payment, closing costs.
And those 5% is based off the loan size. Not the sales contract, the loan amount.
And what do you need to qualify for that? Jose, do you know?
Well, let's go.
It's going to be a 640 credit score.
Boom!
It's going to be you got to make less than $133,000 a year.
That's right.
And you have to work in a Florida-based business for the last
year.
2 years. 2 years. If you do that, you hit the 640 credit score, make less than $133,000 total household, and you've been working in a Florida-based business for the last 2 years, you qualify. That's how simple it is. In a nutshell, this is what you need. If you're looking for a mobile home, you gotta hit 660 though. 660 for a mobile home. All right, we don't make the rules. We do with the hand we're given.
The state dictates everything, right? And the state also dictates the interest rate. There's no shopping rate. There's no temporary rate buy downs. None of that. One rate only. They'll change it as the market changes, but it's by the state.
So how does this help you? This is gonna help the person that's out there that makes good money, that has a stable job, has good credit, but unfortunately, you need the money. You need funds. Right now, this program started July 1st. Just to kind of give you guys a sneak peek of how fast and how everything moves, how fast and furious real estate is. I've got 6 right now with contracts. Yep. All of them. And all of them, their agents were able to provide them 3% seller concessions or 2% seller concessions, which pretty much covers
everything.
So
everything.
The client is literally appraisal, home inspection if they want one, and that's it. Yeah. So you guys, if you know somebody that's looking to buy a house or is thinking about buying a house and has been putting it off, right now is the time.
This is the time. Don't wait.
I know everybody, the interest rates are high. Right now. The interest rate, don't worry about the interest rate. Right now, if you can afford the payment, and
that's what I always tell everybody. Do you like the payment? Can you live with the payment? Will the payment get better in the future when rates drop? If the answer is yes to all that, buy it. Stop playing.
Buy it, especially if the state is giving you 5% to put towards selling concession. Towards the down payment and the closing costs. Like, this is a no-brainer.
Too much money. It's like you're giving money just to buy a house.
And I'll be honest, again, straightforward, full transparency. Do you have to pay the money back? Yes, you do.
I do.
You pay it back when you refinance the house or when you make that last payment.
It's not forgivable loan. It's a pay it forward loan. That's what I always say.
It's a pay it forward loan.
You pay it forward because this money that you're getting, when you refinance, actually if you do a cash out refinance, or if let's say you sell that piece of property, that money has to be paid back for some other family to get into the house. So look at it that way. You're paying it forward to somebody with the same money that somebody's paying it forward to you.
Now the good thing is in the Florida real estate anyway, so the last, I want to say like 20 years, we've seen like an increase in equity like between 4 and 5%. So worst case scenario, if you try to refinance in a year and you don't have enough equity to cover it, by the second year you have enough equity to refinance your house and pay that off, and still now you don't owe nobody no money and you can get a lower rate and a lower payment. But very, very good program. If you know anybody, I can't.
For the loan officers, it's user friendly. Let me tell you something. I've been dealing with all the different DPA loans. There's different banks who have their own grant programs, their internal loans. I work with all those things. Matter of fact, I just closed 3 of those in the last couple of weeks. So I'm telling you right now, it's a lot more simpler than that because, like he said, there's different entities that have to approve everything. So not only does the bank have to approve everything, there's going to be conditions based on the down payment assistance. There's conditions from the different counties as well for their conditions as well. And we have to make all that mesh to get it all on the closing day. And unfortunately, it drags on. It's a lot longer. I mean, I think I want to say all 3 DPA loans went further than 30 days. It was more like 45 to 60. So this loan here, this Hometown Heroes being 30 days or under, makes total sense.
And it's a great program. Again, I can't stress how great it is. So if you know somebody, please do us a favor. Share this video with them. Send it to them. Tag them downstairs. Let us know who needs your help so that we can help them or at least get them the information they need so they can qualify in the future.
Yo, it's fun still lasts, right? Because they're not going to be lasting too much
And
longer.
if you see this after August, it's probably
Forget
too
about
late.
it.
Just like Drake said, it's probably too late. And this is another episode of The Lending Lounge.
What closes our made simple.